Hi guys, we're back with another declutter. This is going to be my powders, face powders, translucent powders, loose powders, pressed powders. That's what we're working on today. If you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Cassie. I hope you enjoy this declutter series. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Give this video a big thumbs up and hit that notification bell. That way you're notified of any new videos. Let's get into it. I have a bunch. Start with the stuff I'm keeping. Keeping will be on this side, declutter will be on this side. I am keeping the Hourglass New Loose Powder. This stuff's phenomenal. I'm keeping my Velvetizer, I love that. Keeping my Brighten Up powder, my Becca powder. I will declutter this Cover FX Illuminating Powder. It just started sitting strange on my skin. It's in light. It was just too illuminating for me. I'll declutter my Super Matte Makeup Forever powder. It's too matte for me. I'm keeping my Bye Bye Pores It Pressed powder. This stuff is so amazing. I've gone through so many of these. I'm keeping my Too Faced powder, my RCMA powder. This Bare Minerals one I will pass on. It's got a matte and a glow side. This is just the regular Makeup Forever powder. I'll keep that. I'm gonna keep the Kat Von D loose powder. I'm gonna keep the Laura Mercier powder. The Peach Perfect powder. I decluttered a lot of these powders not very long ago, so I feel like I have kept most of the stuff I like. I'll declutter these two smaller Makeup Forever ones since I'm keeping the larger of the HD. I'll keep this little e.l.f. one because I've heard great things about it. I will keep this Tarte one because this one's great. My La Mer one is staying. And I've never even tried this NYX one, but I want to give it a go. I have this little tiny Guerlain one that I'm going to keep. I'm going to declutter this Sexy Mama powder. I'm just going to toss it. I've had it forever. Oh, actually, this one's a new one. I used to love this powder. I'm going to declutter this powder. I'm going to keep this MAC one in Warm Rose. I heard it's really great for setting the under eyes. This is what I'm currently using, this Giorgio Armani powder, so I'm keeping that. Put that back in my vanity. Okay, this Candy Banana powder I'm going to pass on. It's too yellow for me. The Celebration foundation, these I just don't love their powder foundation. It's just too much for me, so this one is in light medium. I'm going to pass that along. These ones are in medium. The illumination ones, I'm gonna pass those on. Here's another one in illumination. This one is in light. Well, that's actually kind of pretty. Maybe it's just the regular one I don't like. Maybe I'll keep one for light when I'm not self-tan and one in medium and see if I like those. All right, this is the Next to Nothing powder in Light Plus. These are awesome powders. This one I haven't even used yet. Ooh, I need to put that in my purse because that is a fantastic powder. Here's the Next to Nothing in Medium Deep. I think I was gonna use this as a bronzer or something. Oh, it's so finely milled. That would actually be a beautiful bronzer, but I think I'm gonna pass that on. I don't know why I bought it in so dark. And then Medium Dark, Next to Nothing. Why did I buy such dark shades? Medium Deep and Medium Dark. Well, Medium Dark would probably work when I have a self-tan, and the powder is just phenomenal. Okay, this is the Urban Decay in Fair. It's gonna be too light. I've never even used it, so I'm gonna pass that on. Peach Blur. I've never really given this a go, but I've heard people love it, so I want to keep that. Kat Von D powder, this is a great one. This one's medium 57, which I have to be tan, but this is a really nice powder. Fit Me Poreless, Matte and Poreless in 220. I do like this face powder as well. I don't like the foundation, the Matte and Poreless, but this powder is great. Hello Flawless. This one's in Petal. I can't remember if I like this. Let me set it over here. The Derma E Sun Protection Mineral Powder. This is really nice for extra sun protection. I'm gonna pass that along though to my mom because she was wanting to try that. I have these Laura Mercier Candlelight powders. I really like them. I have shade 01 and 02, or shade 1 and 2. They give a slight glow to the skin. Those are nice powders. See, I use loose powder every day and I use a pressed powder every day. So it's probably why I have so much. And like I said, I decluttered quite a few not very long ago. Here's the Chanel powder, the Less Beige. I need to pull this out again. I forgot I had it. This is really pretty. Wow, the packaging. I find that a lot of my Chanel blushes, like my Chanel stuff, like breaks so easily. I'm gonna keep that. The little ones in a different shade, so I'll keep those. Also have a little Kat Von D loose powder that I'll keep. All right, these are my Hourglass. What are these? Urban Decay ones. Naked Light. These are such good powders. Naked Light, and this one's Naked Medium Light. I'll keep both of those because I really like them. This is the new package. They used to come in something like this. So I'll keep those. I didn't do great on this declutter, but like I said, I got rid of a bunch of powders not too long ago. Dim Light. I really like these. I need to pull these out more. So this is Dim Light from Hourglass. This one is Mood Light. I really do need to pull these out. Oh, it's just so pretty. Maybe I'll pull Dim Light out so I can start using that one. I'm gonna pull that one out. Diffused Light. Did someone say they use Diffused Light as a highlighter? That'd be pretty under the eyes. And then oh, maybe it's Luminous Light they use as a highlighter. Yeah, that's pretty. So I'll keep these just because. This Dandelion powder, I don't even know what that is, but I'll pass that on. I did declutter a few things. I'll kind of be mindful of what I end up using and don't using, and then if I don't use it, I'll just declutter it. But I got some stuff out of here. These are what I'm keeping. These are what I'm decluttering. Not my best decluttered job, but it's not too bad. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I have lots of other declutters. I have eyeshadow palettes, blushes, bronzers, foundations, primers, highlighters. I'm basically going through every category of my makeup and decluttering. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!